Hi there! Happy you are here with us. In today's adventure vlog, 3 minus 3, which equals 0, times 3 minus 3 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 3 minus 9 minus 3, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 3 minus 9, which equals minus 6. So we have minus 6 minus 3, which equals minus 9. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like.